It's Autmn Schleicher from Maxwell, and I will be delivering my second baby boy. I grew up in Gothenburg, coming to Gothenburg Health for needs as a child and young adult, and now as an employee here, just knowing my care providers and knowing my care team, I'm excited to be able to deliver close to home with people I trust.
Hi, I'm Madison Ristine. I am originally from Northeast Nebraska. I grew up in a small town, Snyder. I moved to Gothenburg here about 7 years ago and married a farmer, Blake Ristine, and have been here ever since. We have 2 boys, one that's almost 2 years old and a 5-month-old now. So when I went for my first OB appointment with Dr. Dalrymple, everything went really smoothly, and I was just hopeful that I could deliver here. We live a block away and have done everything else here in town. So it was just been very nice to be close, even with family here in town too. After our first child, I was appreciative with our second one that my pregnancy was healthy again and that I could deliver here. That day that I did deliver, I wasn't anticipating to, but that morning I had a little bit higher blood pressure. Kayla was very good because she knew I wanted to go in naturally, but I said, well, if I have to, I'll get induced, but I just want to wait it out.
Dr. Dalrymple will be my delivering physician, and through just knowing the providers here available at Gothenburg Health and seeing just some of the rural family medicine awards that she has received, and excited to go through this process with her.
So I came in and came over to work actually, and I had the nurses just check it because I was like, hey, I was kind of wondering. And sure enough, it was high, even higher than it was at home. So the nurses brought me over right away to one of the delivery rooms, and Kayla came over right away. So I was just very appreciative that everybody was on the same page and that they were all looking out for me, even from day one. When I was sick, some of those first days in the first trimester, all the nurses really looked out for me then too. Both Dr. Dalrymple and Nas, we kind of go back and forth. They do very well with our boys. They're always taking very good care of them, and same with the nurses too. Every time we go in, everybody's always talking to both my kids, so I appreciate that.
It's becoming very evident that small hospitals don't have OB services. There's counties where there aren't OB services. Moms cannot deliver close to home. And that just brings a lot of anxiety for moms having to travel so far to get care and get needs met. So having a smaller hospital, local, be able to do everything that you can get at a larger facility is hugely important.
I think we are very fortunate to have the services we do here. Not a lot of these small towns have that. It's very specialized. They get to know you very well. There's not a whole lot of other OBs here when you're delivering too, so you kind of get that one-on-one care. And our nurses are fantastic, and so are our doctors.
Yeah, I would recommend Gothenburg Health to other expecting moms. It's a small town feel, people who care about you, care about your baby, you see in the hallway and ask how things are going. So yeah, I would definitely recommend Gothenburg Health.
I would highly recommend Gothenburg Health for any OB family services, even after you have your kids. We have been so fortunate to have both Dr. Nas and Dalrymple taking care of both of our boys, and I wouldn't want it any other way.